Hi everybody. Today I want to show you how to automate 3 common help desk processes across SaaS applications, which is a common request from companies using a lot of SaaS products. You can do this in BetterCloud actually. This tool allows you to integrate processes from various services using a workflow builder. Today we're going to focus on 3 help desk processes that you can automate by utilizing the integration between Zendesk and BetterCloud. So let's get started. So let's head to app.bettercloud.com. I want to show you how Zendesk is incorporated into these workflows. So I'm going to go into the workflow builder in BetterCloud and show you how this works. This is our basic workflow interface. From here, we can dictate that when a certain event happens, if a condition is met, then execute these actions. And in a second, I'll show you some specific examples using Zendesk. First, though, I just want to point out how you can connect third-party services to the BetterCloud app. You're going to want to click on Connectors and then select the service that you want to connect. Just follow the steps provided by the app to connect your services to your BetterCloud account. First, let's automatically create and assign a Zendesk ticket to our IT department to help configure our new hire's computer once a user is created in Google. So to do that, I want my when condition to point to when a new user is created in Google. My if condition is going to be user is active or suspended, and then I'm going to have to specify that I want this to apply to active users. For my then statement, I'm going to select Zendesk Create Ticket. Now we have a few extra options here, the most important of which is that we can assign the ticket to someone in the workflow. For instance, if you have an IT person whose responsibility it is to set up the computers of new hires. But you can also assign a priority, include a description, add a subject, and more. Then I'm going to name and save my workflow, and the next time a new user is created, IT will be automatically assigned to set up their workstation. Next, let's put in a safety net for when new groups are created. This time, we're going to automatically create a Zendesk ticket for IT to audit group settings whenever a new Google group is created. Usually it's going to be the admins that create Google groups for organizations. But if you have groups for business, other users have this capability as well. So what might your IT department be looking for? Well, you want to make sure that users have set up their groups in a secure way. For instance, if they have the public on the internet option checked on, anybody on the internet could join the group, send messages, and even read through the discussion archives, which is something that might present a serious security concern. So we'll have IT take a quick look each time this happens with an automatic support ticket, so no one has to worry about monitoring to see if and when new groups have been created. In this workflow, we'll set our when to new group is created. For if, we're going to say group is not everyone, which we have to specify over here. This is saying that this condition will pop if the group is anything other than the company-wide group called everyone. Then we're going to choose to hide show group and select hide from over here. This is important because it will prevent the group from becoming visible and being used before IT has a chance to check it over. Finally, we will add then Zendesk Create Ticket, and we'll set this up to specify that IT has to check over the group settings to ensure they're correct before opening the group up. Finally, let's take a look at using Zendesk when a user is deprovisioned in G Suite. This time, we'll set this to when user's org unit changes, and if to org unit is deprovision in progress, or whatever you call your org unit where you put users in the process of being decommissioned. Finally, we can set our then conditions. In this case, we want to remove the user from Zendesk as we're deprovisioning them in G Suite, which is simple enough. So we're going to start with the then actions of suspending the user in Zendesk and then deleting the account from Zendesk. However, I also want to point out that you can do way more than that with this final workflow. You can take actions in Slack, Dropbox, and of course G Suite, which you can see in any of these other actions that I've built here in order to automate the deprovisioning process. This is a quick and easy way to accomplish a huge amount of the work of deprovisioning a user in one quick and easy workflow. Hopefully you found this helpful. These new integrations in BetterCloud make it easier than ever for you to automate and simplify your management of users across services. And I hope you'll enjoy these new features as much as I do. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.